right, we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. So this entire car is wrapped in PPF paint protection film, front to back, and looks absolutely gorgeous. I've spent about 20 minutes looking through this car, every nook and cranny, trying to find any imperfections. The only flaw that I found was on that front splitter, and you have to get underneath it to even see anything. So I'm just gonna kind of walk through some of this and scan some of these parts. There are 0 flaws on this, absolutely perfect. Full PPF on the roof, quarter panels, anything with paint, and it's fully protected. The color of these wheels are absolutely gorgeous. Carbon ceramics look amazing. I always love that mirror finish. And while the car has full body PPF, they also added that factory PPF piece back, or another one, so you have double protection in that area. Looks really good. Absolutely gorgeous paint. Like I said, the only flaw I could find on this entire car is gonna be here on the front end, and it's so minor. You have to get underneath the car, and you're gonna see a couple tiny little scuffs here and a little spot right there. Other than that, that front end is absolutely perfect, as well as the rest of the car. They did a really, really good job on this PPF as well. All the edges look nice, very minimal bubbles. That wheel looks good. All of this is absolutely perfect. We have the factory window sticker laminated, and we'll have pictures of that on the website. That looks gorgeous. All of this looks good. Looking at the interior, looks amazing. That trim looks good. You do have a little bit of wear on the edge right here, just a couple markings from getting in and out. The rest of that seat looks good. Absolutely gorgeous. That looks good. Underside looks nice. That shifter looks amazing. Here on this door panel, looks absolutely perfect. That looks amazing. Nice and clean. That bolster looks good. That seat's perfect.